Howdy there, my favorite first graders. It's Thursday, February the 11th of 2021. What are we working on in science today? We will identify characteristics of the seasons. We talked about those seasons yesterday. Do you remember how many seasons we have in the year? More than one. Did you say 4? Wow, you have a great memory. 4 seasons in the year. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. What are we going to do with those seasons today? We will watch a video and then illustrate appropriate clothing that we would wear for each. Look at this yellow word. Say it with me. Clothing. Nice job. Are you wearing any clothing today? I hope so. I'm wearing clothing, and here my Bitmoji has a lot of clothing on. We're going to talk about when should we be wearing that much clothing, because we don't always need to wear that much. Why are we talking about clothing today? We will understand how to be prepared for different kinds of weather. Like I said, I don't need to wear this much clothing every day. Think about those weather words from yesterday. What kind of weather would make me want to put on a jacket, a scarf, mittens, boots, and sweaters? No, not for the hot summer weather. You got it, for that cold, icy, snowy weather. We are going to talk today about the different weather and what clothes we need to wear to be prepared. Are you prepared, attentoscopes, to see some weather with me today? Afterwards, we're going to draw and label the clothing. First, let's see it. Eyeballs on. Here comes our weather today.
English Sing. 4 seasons. Spring.
Spring. Say it with me.
Warm.
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 Spring is warm. Flower.
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 Say it, your turn.
It is flowering season.
In the spring, it is so warm, there's so much sunshine that all the flowers begin to bloom. Say it with me. Spring. Nice job.
Picnic.
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 I love going on a picnic in spring.
Have you ever been on a picnic in the spring? Yes or no? It is very warm. There's flowers everywhere. It's a beautiful time to enjoy a picnic. But let's look at the clothes she is wearing on her picnic. We said it is warm, not hot. So she is wearing a skirt, but long sleeves. She doesn't have on flip-flops, but she doesn't have on boots. These are just normal shoes and socks. She doesn't need anything extra on her head or her body to protect her from any weather. It's just warm, and the flowers are coming out.
Spring.
Say it again. Spring.
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 It is spring. Summer.
Summer.
Hot.
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 Summer is so hot.
Look, he's sweating. It is so hot in the summertime. Let's look at the clothes.
Vacation.
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 I love summer vacation.
Do you? Beach.
Beach.
One more time. Beach.
In summer, we go to the beach.
You could vacation to the beach in the summer, or to your grandma's house, or to the park, or go swimming in the pool. So much fun stuff to do in the summer. It is very hot. Look at what he's wearing. It's so hot, he wants his little toesies to be out. No boots, no socks, flip-flops in the summer. Check out what other clothes he's wearing. A short sleeve shirt, no long sleeves. Shorts, not long pants. And no jacket, no mittens. But he could use some other things to protect from the sun. Can you think of anything that protects you from burning in the sun? Good idea. Let's see what he uses.
Summer. Summer. It is summer.
All right, what's he using here? Yeah, he's protecting his eyes with sunglasses, and he's sitting underneath the shade of an umbrella. A tree could also give you shade. A roof could give you shade. A hat could give you shade. But it helps when it's so hot to help cover up some of your body from the sun so you don't get burnt. Sunglasses, umbrella, hat, or sunscreen can protect you. Keep those things in mind when we get ready for our summer illustration. But that's just 2 seasons. We've got 2 more to go.
Fall.
Fall.
Cool.
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 Cool. Cool is a word that explains not cold, but not warm. We're in between with cool. I see something blowing all around this girl. We talked about that yesterday. What's it called when it's blowing things around in the weather? Wonderful memory. Windy. Look at all that wind blowing around. That's what helps keep the weather cool outside. Look at what she's wearing in the cool weather. It looks like maybe she has on some tights or some leggings, but she for sure has on socks and shoes. Long sleeves, and she's like me wearing 2 shirts. But she doesn't need long pants or boots. It's not cold yet, just cool. So she's protecting her arms, protecting her legs just a little bit from the cool wind.
Fall is cool.
Cool.
Leaves.
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 Leaves blowing in the wind.
The leaves are falling.
Falling.
Harvest.
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 Say that word. Harvest.
Fall is the season of harvest.
Harvest, like you see here, is when we pick the crops off the farm. The vegetables, the fruits that are ready. We're going out into the field like this girl and picking them off, ready to eat or to take to the grocery store to sell. She's wearing a hat to protect her while she's out there working all day, and her long sleeves, because remember, it's cool.
Fall.
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 It is fall. Winter.
Winter.
Cold.
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 Very cold. Look at what this boy is wearing. Zzz. He's shaking. He's so cold. But he has lots of clothes on. I see a hat to protect his head, a scarf on his neck, a jacket on his body, and mittens on his hands, pants on his legs, and what kind of shoes? Boots. Nice job. Lots of clothing we wear in the winter because it is so, what's that word? Cold.
Winter is cold.
What do you see falling? Say it with me.
Snow.
Snow!
Snow.
Did you like when we had snow here in Elgin? Yes or no? So pretty.
It snows a lot in winter.
Does it snow a lot here in our winter? No. But in other places, they do get a lot of snow. We got lucky, and we got a little bit this year. We still get cold temperatures, but we don't get a lot of snow here in Texas.
Snowman.
Did you build one of those on our snow day? Yes or no? Peekaboo.
Snowman.
Snowman.
We are making a snowman.
How handsome he is.
Winter.
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 It is winter.
Is it winter right here in Elgin right now? Yes, it is. But do we have snow right now? No. Just because it's not snowing doesn't mean it's not winter. We are still in the winter. We're still wearing our winter clothes. We just don't have snow falling every day. Time to review all 4 seasons. Are you ready?
Review. 4 seasons.
What are the names of our 4 seasons? Ready? Spring, summer, fall, winter.
Spring.
What do we have in the spring?
Warm. Flower.
They're blooming.
Picnic.
Take a picnic and enjoy the butterflies.
Summer.
In the summer.
Hot. Vacation.
Enjoy time out of school.
Beach.
And maybe play in the water, like at the beach.
Fall.
Fall.
Cool.
Cool, windy blowing.
Leaves.
Leaves change colors.
Harvest.
Time to pick the crops.
Winter.
Winter.
Cold. Snow.
Beautiful snowflakes.
Snowman.
And you can enjoy building a snowman or snow woman. Think about those seasons and think about the clothes we wear. What season do you think my Bitmoji is in right here? Not the summer. The what? What? Winter. Bravo, my super scientist. Let's get ready to draw and label clothing. Will you please get your journal, get your pencil, and get your crayons? When you have these 3 things, come on down and meet me at video 2 and show me some clothes. Let's go.